Two premium laptops, two very different platforms, both built for professionals who demand serious performance from a slim, well-designed machine. The Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Pro starting at $1,899 and the Apple MacBook Pro M5 starting at $1,599 for the 14-inch. And at certain configurations, they land at nearly identical price points. Welcome to Unbox Daily, where we test what you are about to spend your money on. Two laptops, one decision. Let's go. The MacBook Pro M5 is the benchmark for laptop performance per watt, and nothing running Windows currently comes close in that specific metric. The M5 chip delivers Geekbench 6 multi-core scores above 20,000, compared to the Galaxy Book 6 Pro's 15,000 to 16,000 range, while running cooler, quieter, and with longer battery life simultaneously. Nano Review found the MacBook Pro's M5 delivers around 28% more better multi-core CPU performance than the Galaxy Book 6 Pro in Cinebench 2024. The 14-inch model offers a 1000 nit Liquid Retina XDR display, 100% brighter than the Book 6 Pro's 500 nit peak, with promotion up to 120 Hz, 3 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, HDMI 2.1, SD card reader, and MagSafe charging provide more physical connectivity than the Book 6 Pro. Battery life stretches to 24 hours of video playback on the base 14-inch M5. Apple Intelligence runs across writing, coding, summarization, and image tasks on-device via the 16-core neural engine. macOS handles video editing, coding, and creative workflows with native Pro app optimization across Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and Xcode, starting at $1,599 for the base 14-inch. That is link 1 in the description. Tap it right now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily, the best laptop and tech reviews every single day. The Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Pro is one of the finest Windows Ultrabooks available in 2026. Tom's Guide called it an early contender for their favorite Windows laptop of 2026 after testing the Intel Core Ultra X 7358H configuration. The 16-inch 3K dynamic AMOLED 2X touchscreen at 2880 by 1800 with 120 Hz and up to 1200 nits peak brightness is exceptional. TechRadar called it a majestic display. The touchscreen capability is the immediate practical advantage over the MacBook Pro. Annotating documents, signing PDFs, and quick on-screen adjustments require no accessories. Intel Panther Lake Core Ultra processors, the first built on the Intel 18A process node, deliver over 60% faster CPU performance than the previous Galaxy Book 5 Pro generation with a 50 TOPS NPU for Copilot plus AI features running on device. Wi-Fi 7, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, 2.1, USB-A, and micro SD connectivity cover all the ports most professionals need. Battery life hits all-day endurance comfortably. The Galaxy AI ecosystem integrates across Galaxy phones and tablets for seamless cross-device workflows, starting at $1,899 for the base configuration. That is linked 2 in the description. Tap it now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily right now. The best laptop comparisons every single day. The honest answer comes down to platform, not performance. The MacBook Pro M5 is the faster machine. Apple's chip architecture delivers better CPU performance, longer battery life, and a brighter display at a lower starting price. If you are on macOS and use Pro apps like Final Cut Pro, Logic, or Xcode, there is no Windows laptop that matches the M5's efficiency to performance ratio at any price. But if you need Windows for specific software, enterprise IT environments, or Galaxy ecosystem integration, the Galaxy Book 6 Pro is the best Windows Ultrabook available right now. The touchscreen advantage, the Samsung Galaxy AI cross-device features, and the vibrant AMOLED display make it a genuinely compelling premium Windows machine. The choice is not which laptop is better, it is which platform your work already lives on. Both links are in the description. I will catch you in the next one.